Hey guys, welcome to day number 1 of your 90-day transformation. And today we're working on those shoulders. You got to have those boulder shoulders. You want those shoulders to look good whenever you're rocking those tank tops for those backyard barbecues or those pool parties. So today we're going to work on those shoulders. We're going to get started with 4 series. Everything is 4 sets of 10, beginning with series number 1. All right, so go slow, use lightweight, because if you use weight that's too heavy and you tweak a joint or a muscle, that's a hard bell to unring. You can't unring that bell. So you want to go slow, take the weight kind of light. Like I said, we're going to start with series number 1, clean and press. All right, now you want to start with a light dumbbell. Start with no weight at all. Clean and press. You're going to go from the clean and press to the cable low row. We're going to be bent at the waist, and you're going to pull the weight towards you. Then you're going to go from the cable low rows to the seated delt fly. That's series number 1. Give yourself about a good 30, maybe 45-second rest between each set and before you move on to the next one. You want to set up your series before you get started. Okay, next up we have series number 2. We have the Arnold press. I'll give you one guess who made up that exercise. It's a great exercise for the shoulders. We have the Arnold press and something new to the arsenal, the gravity press. That's something really different where you're going to be leaning at about a 45-degree angle, pushing the weight out straight. All right, then you're going to go from the gravity press to the upright rows. That's going to recruit those traps and those delts. Again, use lightweight, guys. Use lightweight. All right, make smooth transitions from exercise to exercise. Give yourself 30 to 45 second breather before you move on to the next set. All right, next up, we have series number 3, where we have the push press, the pike press, and the iron cross. All right, now the push press is the top part of the clean and press, where you're going to do a slight squat and you're going to pop the weight up over your head. Again, use light weight. We're going to go from that to a pike press. Pike press is a push-up with your butt way high in the air. All right, and you want to break the elbows about 90 degrees and push through those delts. All right, then you're going to go from that to one of my favorite exercises, the iron cross. For the iron cross, guys, use lightweight, guys. For girls, I would suggest start out with 3s if you have them. If you don't have 3s, maybe 1s, and if you're at home, use like water bottles or something like that, something really light, because the iron cross is a really intense exercise. All right, so that's series number 3. Next up, we have series number 4. Series number 4 is just the superset, where we have 2 exercises, and we go from the high pull, when you're going to pull the weight from above the eye line back towards you, right toward the bridge of the nose. And then you're going to go from that to the old school Bradford press, where you press in front of the face and then behind the neck, in front of the face, behind the neck. So there you go. That's our series, guys. If you have any questions, scroll back, check out the little videos, the little clips, how to do each exercise, guys. Go quick. You want to make smooth transitions from exercise to exercise. Rest minimally. So keep your heart rate up, but not too high. You want to be able to make it through the entire workout, the entire protocol for the day. Guys, that's it for today. Hit that workout hard. Hit us back in the membership area, guys. Hit us back and let us know how you're working these workouts and how everything is feeling. Go light. Really make your body feel that you're doing. This is a transformation, guys. This is going to be one of the greatest things that you've ever done, because on the other side is going to be the you that I've always known was there and that you're going to be glad to meet. For the FuzionFit Nation, I hope to see you guys. I can't wait to see you guys on day number 2.